Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Up till now, we have been using LoRa's for image models, especially Flux. But now we can use LoRa's for video models. A new era has started and now we can use LoRa with open source model Hunyuan, which we already have covered it on the channel in great detail. If you are interested in learning more about Hunyuan model as how to use it, what exactly that is, please go to my channel and search with Hunyuan and you should be able to find lots of videos around it. Just for the record, Hunyuan is one of the best video generation model in open source at the moment, and it is superior to many leading closed source models. It has several key contributions including data curation, image video joint model training, and an efficient infrastructure. But I'm not going to go into that detail because I already have covered that in these videos. For the purpose of this video, I am going to show you how you can implement a LoRa with this Hunyuan model all locally, all for free. And if you don't know what LoRa is, LoRa's are small models which sit on top of the actual model, in this case HunyuanVideo model, and then they direct or they sort of guide the model to create a video in a specific style or imagery. In front of you on your screen, you can see that we have this style of video which is primarily from Makima. Makima is a fictional character from the popular manga and anime series Chainsaw Man, and it is crazily popular in Japan and few other parts of the world. If you are into anime, you know what I mean. She is the main antagonist of the series and is also known as a control devil. Makima has the ability to control and manipulate people's bodies, and she is considered one of the strongest devils in the series. So someone has created the LoRa on the base of this character, and we can generate videos of Makima just by using Hunyuan model. How good is that? So whatever you want this Makima to do, you can now do that with the help of this LoRa on top of this Hunyuan model, and that is what I'm going to show you. The tool which I'm going to use for this is called as ComfyUI. If you don't know what ComfyUI is, go to my channel, search with ComfyUI tutorial, watch this video and you will become a hero from zero. Even if you have never installed it, never used it, you should be able to do it after watching this video. For the purpose of this video, I am assuming you already know what ComfyUI is. You already have installed it with ComfyUI Manager. So we will go straight and use the ComfyUI workflow to see how this thing works. Now, let me first take you to my ComfyUI screen. This is my ComfyUI. First step we need to do is to load the workflow. So click on workflow on the top left, click on open, and then from your local system you would need to select the ComfyUI workflow. Now you don't have to create this. I will give you this ComfyUI workflow for free. I will put it in my repo and I will give you the link in video's description. And this is a workflow you need to do. And don't worry about if you don't understand it. I will also walk you through step by step. And as I said, I will give you this workflow for free, no cost attached. If you like, you can buy me the coffee. No one is stopping you, but no compulsion. So first step we need to do is to download the models in ComfyUI. For that, first step, go to either this HunyuanVideo's main Hugging Face page, which you can simply search on Hugging Face, or go to this HunyuanVideo ComfyUI, and from there you need to download the model. Let's suppose you want to download this HunyuanVideo ComfyUI. Go to files, and then from there you need two files, this second one and then this clip one. So first I'm just going to go to this 13.2 gig one. This is the name of the file, 720 floating point 8, and then right click here, save link as, and then you need to go where your ComfyUI is installed, ComfyUI models and diffusion model, save it here. I already have saved it, and then let's go back. Second file you need is this one, which is called as HunyuanVideo V, which is a variational autoencoder. Variational autoencoder is add finishing touches to the images, and it brings the image from latent space to pixel space. Latent space is where model works on it. Pixel space is where we can see it. Again, right click on download, save link as, and then ComfyUI models, and in the V directory, just save it there. I already have saved it. These are the only two models you needed. So we have loaded our ComfyUI workflow. We have loaded them, downloaded the models. Third step you need to do is to go to ComfyUI Manager. Then you need to install two custom nodes. Click on Custom Node Manager, and I will show you which nodes you need to install. You need to install this ComfyUI Video Helper Suite, and you need to install this ComfyUI Hunyuan Video Wrapper. So all these are the two custom nodes you need to install. And how do you do that? You just go here, you search for it. For example, you want to do Hunyuan one. So just type Hunyuan. This is the one. I already have installed mine, so it will be like something like this. You just click on install, and then once you have installed both of these nodes, you just need to click on restart all. The button will appear here, and then everything will be restart. Or you can click here on red button, and it is going to restart your ComfyUI. Then make sure to reload the browser. That is very important. Also, if you are using ComfyUI, the old version, make sure you update everything. So we have loaded our workflow, we have downloaded our model, we have also installed the custom node, and you have the workflow. So what is happening in this workflow? Let's look at this. First, make sure that on the top one, you have clicked model name, you have selected this V from Hunyuan, and then for the Lora, on the left, you have selected this Makima Hunyuan Safe Tensors. And then in this Hunyuan model loader, you have selected the floating point 81. And first time when you will run it, it is going to populate and download this stuff. Now I have already set my prompt where you see I have created the video. The video is that KXSR, that is a trigger word. So every LoRa needs a trigger word which tells the model that it needs to generate this video in this proper style by using this LoRa. So trigger word basically triggers the LoRa model. So KXR, a lively KXR laughs at a cashier of the grocery store, which is I believe also a character. Cinematic enemy aesthetic KXR close up. So you can see it has created this video here. Now maybe I will just change it. I will just say talking, I'll just say talking with the friend. So the prompt is that KXR, a lively KXR talking with the friend angrily. Let me click on Q, and you see that it is now loaded the model, and it is now generating the video. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Let me show you my VRAM consumption in real time. So it is using just under 15 gig. How good is that? So you can use it for 16 GB of VRAM. Also, if you go back to this repo of this guy, you can even go with the smaller files, and that will even decrease your VRAM consumption. You can even bring it to 8 GB of VRAM. And if you go to my channel and just search with run Hunyuan model, Hunyuan video ComfyUI model in 8 GB, you can watch this video where I have gone into way more detail, and I also share with you a free workflow. Okay, let's go back. It is still generating it. As I said, it takes a bit of a time. Sometimes I have seen it taking 4 to 5 minutes to generate the video, and this is the trade-off you have to make. If you want to speed it up, you can go with 80 GB of VRAM and get the full model, but still it is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Anyway, let's wait for it. And there you go. You see that it says the prompt was a lively KXR talking with a friend angrily, and looks really cool. Amazing stuff. This is how you can generate a specific style of video with this Hunyuan Lora. So that's it. I'll be making more videos on it, and also I'll be making another video on training the Lora, but what I have tried so far, it seems that it is still very buggy, and things are not really performing as good as they should be. It requires a lot of compute power, a lot of time. So I'm just waiting for this to improve, but nonetheless I will see what can be done. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.